15 Most Popular Kitchen Countertop Trends for 2026. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest in home improvement and interior design trends. Today, we're showing the 15 most popular kitchen countertop trends for 2026. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation or just looking for some kitchen inspiration, this video is for you. Sustainable countertops. Sustainability is a top priority in kitchen design 2026. Expect to see more countertops made from recycled materials, reclaimed wood, and even eco-friendly composite surfaces. If you're passionate about the environment, this is a trend you'll love. Quartz countertops dominate. Quartz continues to be a go-to choice for homeowners. Why? Because it's durable, low maintenance, and available in a variety of colors and patterns. Quartz countertops are here to stay. Sleek and minimalist kitchen designs. A minimalist kitchen is all about clean lines and clutter-free spaces. Many homeowners are opting for simple, sleek countertop designs with waterfall edges for a modern touch. Dark and bold countertops. While light colors have been trendy, dark countertops are making a bold comeback in kitchen decor. Think black marble, charcoal quartz, and deep emerald green, perfect for an elegant, sophisticated look. Natural stone appeal. Granite, marble, and soapstone remain timeless favorites. Granite countertops offer a luxurious and unique look that adds depth and texture to any kitchen. Porcelain countertops. Rise in popularity. Lightweight, durable, and available in endless designs, porcelain countertops are a rising trend in kitchen remodeling. Plus, they're highly resistant to heat and scratches. Textured finishes. Glossy surfaces are taking a back seat as more homeowners opt for matte, leathered, or honed finishes to add a subtle yet stylish texture to their countertops. Concrete countertops for an industrial look. If you love an edgy urban vibe, concrete countertops are a great choice. They bring an industrial touch while being completely customizable in shape and color. Butcher block countertops for warmth. Wood surfaces, especially butcher block countertops, add warmth and a natural feel to the kitchen. They're perfect for a cozy, farmhouse-inspired look. Mixed material countertops. Why settle for one material? Mixing materials like quartz and wood or marble and stainless steel creates contrast and visual interest in kitchen design. Ultra-thin countertops. Thinner countertops are becoming popular for a sleek, modern aesthetic. These ultra-thin designs work well in minimalist and contemporary spaces. Smart countertops with built-in technology. With technology advancing, expect to see countertops with built-in wireless charging, touch controls, and even embedded LED lighting for a futuristic feel. Statement veining in marble and quartz. Bold veining patterns in marble and quartz countertops are making waves. These dramatic designs add a high-end artistic touch to any kitchen. Extended countertops for more functionality. More homeowners are extending their countertops to create waterfall islands, breakfast bars, and multifunctional prep stations. It's all about maximizing space. Hidden storage and pantry cabinet integration. Countertops with built-in storage solutions are trending, making it easier to organize essentials like spices, knives, and even a pull-out pantry cabinet. That's a wrap on the top 15 kitchen countertop trends for 2026. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning a galley kitchen remodel or a full kitchen renovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interior design ideas and home improvement tips. See you next time.